Life expectancy is another reason to explain why the world's cities are growing so big and so fast. Life expectancy is the number of years a person born at a certain time can be expected to live. In the last 50 years, the life expectancy of people in most countries has increased. Better healthcare, better medicines, and better nutrition are all reasons behind the amazing increase in life expectancy that we have seen. A person born in 1895, for example, in Indonesia, could expect to live only 30 years. A person born in 2015, by contrast, can be expected to live until they are over 71. Increased life expectancy means population growth, means bigger cities, means more urbanization. We can collect evidence about the causes of urbanization using an interactive map called Gapminder. The next video will show you how to use this.